Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information. The water softener system is off by default from the factory. Determine your water hardness by obtaining information from a water quality report or purchasing a water hardness test kit. After determining your water hardness level, refer to the water hardness table in your owner's manual for required setting. Press and hold the high temp button for 5 seconds. Release, and within 2 seconds press the Start Resume button. Press the Normal button to select the desired feature. Select Water Hardness. Press Start Resume to select the feature and enter the sub-menu. Select desired value by pressing the Normal button. Press the Start Resume button to confirm your new selection. Remove the lower rack and unscrew the reservoir cap. Use the supplied funnel and fill up to the edge. If filling the reservoir for the first time, it is also necessary to fill with water after filling with salt. When refilling salt, there is no need to add more water. Remove the funnel and make sure the cap is screwed on tightly. Run a cycle every time after filling the reservoir to avoid corrosion.